Ever wondered what secret sauce the world's oldest folks are slathering on their lives to keep ticking like a well-oiled machine? Spoiler alert, it's not from the fountain of youth, but rather right from their kitchen. Let's take a through 7 foods that promise longevity. Buckle up, this is going to be a delicious ride. First up, we have the ever-elusive blueberries. Tiny but mighty, these little beauties are packed with antioxidants, keeping your cells from rusting like an old bike left out in the rain. Those vibrant berries are your brain's best friend, defending against cognitive decline. Need a reason to plop them into your morning smoothie? Brain power, people! Next, let's talk about fatty fish. Your ticket to a heart that won't just flutter, but dance. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and boost cholesterol levels. They say a happy heart leads to a long life, so add a little fishy twist to your plate and keep the doctors away. Then there's spinach, that leafy green powerhouse that didn't just make Popeye strong. It's got vitamins K, A, and C, all coming together in a veritable superhero alliance. Packed with benefits like improved bone health and reduced oxidative stress, spinach is the stealthy ninja of the veggie world, ensuring you're all set for the decades ahead. Now how about some nuts? Not just between your ears. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're like nature's little snacks leaping in to lower your risk of heart disease and boost brain power. Just a handful a day can keep those gray hairs from looking a tad too frazzled. Let's not forget about sweet potatoes, the orange darling of the starch family, boasting loads of vitamins A and C. They're not just tasty, they're also full of fiber to keep your tummy happy and healthy. Who knew something so simple could add years to your life while making your plate pop with color? Let's shake things up with avocados, the creamy green hero of healthy fats. These gems are loaded with vitamins E, C, K, and B6 and can lower cholesterol levels, fend off heart disease, and even make you the envy of brunch goers everywhere. Who knew a fruit could have swagger? Last but not least, we meet dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right, guilt-free indulgence. Rich in flavonoids, it's like a shield for your heart, reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. So go ahead, treat yourself. Longevity has never tasted so sweet, so there you have it. 7 scrumptious superheroes you can add to your diet. Which one will you be indulging in tonight to unlock the secret to a longer life? Remember, your kitchen could very well be your lab for experiments in longevity.